I'm gonna go ahead and get just a little one drop. Hope y'all can see okay. Okay. Right here for Instagram. And another drop of the Fall in Love. One drop of the Hunter Green. One drop of Fall in Love. And I'm going to using the like illuminating gels art. Give it a really quick. It's like I have a cool fun St. Pattie nails. Okay. And then I'm going to just use twin tip brush, not twin tip brush, the crystal picker. And then we are just going to give it a really quick swirl. Okay. And before we do anything, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Blossom Gels right on the top of the beige. And do not cure yet. Just leave it there because that is what it does. It do all the work and then a design for you. And I'm going to go ahead and use a twin tip brush. And pick up any parts that I would like. Really gentle. You can do it any part you like. I mean, you can make the patterns however you like. And I can do just randomly. Want some glitter there. And let the Blossom Gel do all the work for you. So if you're happy with this, we'll let it like spreading just a second. And if you're happy with this, we are going to swipe on the both end and then cure this one for 60 seconds. Okay.